Hello, good afternoon. It's Brian with Fossil Creek Outdoors. Today we are going to, my dad and I, we are going to spool some of our fishing lines, fishing poles, reels. This is a Shimano Black Max Bantam. It's an old reel. I've had this reel for pretty close to 30 years now. Pretty daggum good reel. It's on a Berkeley lightning rod. Berkeley lightning rods are my go-to rods as far as worm fishing. You can just barely feel them pick it up and start running with it. Freaking awesome rod. I've been using these Berkeley rods for, well, ever since I graduated from the zip code 33s, reels and rods. This right here is a Abu Garcia Black Max. I like this little reel. It's great for crankbaits. That's what I use it for, is crankbaits. I have a sexy shad on it, on a Cabela's Pro Series rod. I believe it's medium heavy rod, 6'6" rod. This rod right here is Dallas. Alright guys, we're back. I'm going to show you a little bit more of my setup I got going on here. I got the camera in my hand, but a little redneck line spooler. See that? Put these little fittings on the end of it, and it holds the tension on there, perfect tension. And you can spool your line on it. Goofy cat doing. Just like that. This is our line stripper. Dad, did you run the batteries down in it? I guess you run the batteries down in it. I'll have to look for some batteries. Alright, we gotta get back to you here in a minute. Alright guys, we're back. This is what a line stripper is, if y'all young kids don't know what it is. Keep your button pressed. Get your line. Put it in the small hole. Cut that little knot off of it. I can go through the big hole, right? Oh, just a small hole. Alright, you see line's coming out. You just push the button and just get after it. As long as the batteries don't run down, it'll spool all your line off. Just like that. You ain't gotta sit there and have your dad, your mom, your sister, girlfriend, wife, or whatever, your buddies sit there and tie it around their waist and run off with it. Which is kind of fun sometimes, but sit there and do that right there. And it don't take about a minute and a half. See, it's almost all gone. Lay on the crotch rocket. bam, it's all gone off there. And you take your wire clippers or your fingernail clippers, pocket knife, get in there, clip it off of your spool, and run it right on off. That reel right there is done, ready for a new line put on it. What we're gonna do, guys, I always throw this in the, this is recyclable, okay? This line is monofilament line. Or no, this is actually is my P line I took off. This is fluorocarbon line. Roll it up in a ball and throw it in the trash. In your recycle bin. Because it is recyclable. When you're out there on the lake, take a Walmart sack with you or a plastic sack with you. When you backlash real bad and you gotta cut it all out, put it in that sack. Don't throw it in the water. Come on, we gotta keep our environmental, our fishing rights, our lakes clean. We got enough trash of it floating down the daggum creeks. Yep, I missed the recycle bin. Y'all seen that? I know you did. Alright, my dad's got that one right there ready for me. Just throw it in that big little end there. Hit the button. Hold the button down. Get after it. Alright guys, I'm going to show y'all how we set this up for our line. We're going to put this, I'm probably going to use this Extra Tough XT on my worm rods. Just knock a hole in it. You want the line to be coming towards you, so typically the sticker part goes on the inside, just like that. We're gonna bring it, hold it, put this little cone side down over here, the cone towards the reel. Pretty good little tension there. You can push it a little bit closer. The spring's gonna expand. It's gonna push it. Alright. Then we get this, we just tie it on. Yep, that's pretty good right there. And then y'all just know how to do this. Alright, here comes Boudreaux, the barn cat. I always go through the line. I mean, when you get these professionally done, they don't do it through the eyelets of the rod. But if you do it yourselfer like myself and my dad, there's one thing that I kind of normally do this. My line got tangled. Sometimes this happens. So what I just normally do is I just normally don't do this, but just Y'all get the basic. Just run it through your eyelids. Get it, I always start with my my bait casting reels. I always start with the front eye on your rod right there in the center. Just run it through there and get it on the other side. It's good to have a little pocket knife with you. Make the line will stay in there. Guys, I'm having problems. Too much stuff in the way. Alright, we got that. Finger in there on your knife. Regular knots in there. Make sure it's in the center and it's tight. Alright. Cut your excess off. Pair of fingernail clippers. Make sure you clip the right one. Just like that. Roll it on there. Put everything back on your, put your spool back on there. Tighten your spool down. Hold your string with your hands like that and just start reeling away. If it's not too much tension on it, you need some more tension. Just tighten your thing down. And just reel it. Your mom, your dad, your sister. They ain't got to put the old pencil or the pen in it and burn their hands. And just keep tension on it. See, that's how you do it. That's how we do it. See right there how even it is getting on your reel? Right there. Gotta make sure it's even. It's got good tension on it. See that, guys? It's got good tension. You don't want to put too much line on it because you'll backlash a lot. I like to go up to about 1/16 of an inch. Just getting about right there. And come over here, grab your line. Take your knife and just cut it. Then you're done with that reel, y'all. Got back with you.